Okay, so it's been a little over 2 hours since I put our pennies into soak in these different substances. I want to go ahead and break them out and clean them off and see how they worked. So let me turn the camera around and we'll start with the vinegar. 1 second. Okay, this is our penny that was in the vinegar. Got some paper towels. I'm just going to take it out and rub it off a little bit. It looks pretty shiny, not like a new penny, but newer. Okay, move this out of the way. I'll put the vinegar one right there. That's the vinegar. This is the lemon juice. This one looks really great. This one was pretty dark before I put it in the lemon juice. You almost couldn't read the backside here. This is a hay penny. Sorry. And you almost couldn't read the words on the backside. So the lemon juice did a pretty good job. You can see on the front here, in front of Lincoln's face, it's got that dark spot. I think probably what happened there is no lemon juice could get to it. So it cleaned all around it, but not right there. It had like a little air bubble there. Not as shiny as the vinegar penny though. Alright. The soy sauce penny. Let me feel around in here so I can find it. There it is. I didn't think this one would do much. Seems like a weird choice of cleaner. It shined it up a little bit. Still not as shiny as the vinegar, but not as dirty as it was. Alright, so this one is just the salt water. Let me get a fresh paper towel. Alright, I think it did better than the soy and the lemon juice, but still not as good as the vinegar. The vinegar by far has been the best. And this one was just soap. I think the soap probably would have done a better job cleaning it if we had used some water with it. Because it really doesn't look like it changed any. Still looks kind of dull. So, let me shift the camera. Alright, so here's our pennies. Starting here we had the vinegar, which by far I think is the shiniest one. Then this one was the lemon juice, the soy sauce, the salt water, and the dish soap. So, vinegar appears to have been our best bet, followed by the salt water, I think. Now, the reason that these pennies change color and get dirty like this is, you know, they pick up dirt from your hands, and the coating on the outside is copper, and copper changes color when it, over time, as it interacts with oxygen in the air. Typically, though, things turn green. The Statue of Liberty is in New York City, is made from copper, and her whole outside kind of looks green. But underneath that green, if you could pressure clean her really good, she'd be shiny like a penny. So give it a try at home. Try some different substances besides what we used here and see how it turns out for you. Guys, have a great day. Bye.